Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're going to do a quick payment proof for CMG. I've just logged into my account. Here we are in my withdrawal section. You can see here that I made the withdrawal on the 20th of the 5th, 2021. I've just logged in. I've got this notice here saying withdrawal complete. To my Faucet Pay. If we dive into my Faucet Pay here, you can see here CryptoMiningGame 242,747 Litecoin landed in my wallet on the 22nd of May 2021. So big thank you to CMG. So if you are looking for a virtual cloud mining game that takes place in a fantasy role-playing environment with a battle card game at its heart, check out the playlist in the description. And if you could smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you.